Before teaching your child to recognize number or letters, they need to be able to master the activity of recognizing what things are similar and the same. In this case, we're going to work on what things are similar. When a 2D object is presented and a 3D object is presented, they are both the same animal and we are able to match them both. So for this activity, we're going to use our DIY flashcards as well as our little minifigure animals from the zoo. We're putting them in a sensory bin. We're using the chips that we've been working on throughout the different activities so that we have a non-messy sensory bin to create our activity. You're going to present one card at a time to your child and you're going to have them look in the sensory bin the matching animal. So when you look at your minifigures that you have, just find only the ones that you have a matching card and use those. We only work with about 6 different animals for this activity. We also want to encourage language development. So as you are looking through these cards and they're finding the match, encourage them to say the name of the animal. This is going to help them develop those language skills, those vocabulary skills, and all those different sounds that are building in their mouth that are still being worked on. It's a fun way to do it and it's a fun way to practice.